This is a final video to safely exit Android beta and return to the stable version without losing any of your data. Are you tired of your phone acting buggy or slow because of beta updates? The problem happens because beta versions are meant for testing, so they often have unfinished features and glitches that can cause crashes or slowdowns. Many guides online or videos on social media make it look super complicated, asking you to factory reset or jump through confusing menus, which can scare anyone away. But on Rexist, I'll show you a secret easy trick that lets you leave the beta program and go back to the stable version while keeping all your apps, photos, and settings intact. All you need is a simple setting in your Google account and a quick system update, and your phone will return to normal safely. If you want, I can make a full step-by-step tutorial showing exactly what buttons to press and what to watch out for, so comment below if you want to do that.